Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discovery Boss. And yes, I know you've seen in the title, Bernard Lodge Main Road to Caribbean Estates. Just showing you guys a glimpse of the Highway 2000. We're currently on the Bernard Lodge Bridge. So the lanes on the left is going into Kingston. The lanes on the right is heading into Old Harbour and Mapen direction. So Bernard Lodge Bridge, Highway 2000. Just giving you guys a glimpse while I'm on the drive from Bernard Lodge Main Road to Caribbean Estates. Alright guys, let's take a drive. Alright guys, so first of all, as usual, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. And just want to say a big thank you to all the supporters, everyone that watches the video, watch an ad, share a video, like a video, comment on a video. Just want to say a big thank you. And again, if you watch the videos and haven't yet subscribed, just click that subscribe button, turn it red. Remember to leave a comment as well, and like and share the video. So again, we're on the Bernard Lodge Main Road. Just taking a quick drive to Caribbean Estate side. So I'm just bringing you guys right along on the journey. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive, leave a comment. Alright, and we know that these roads facilitate a lot of sugar transportation, because the whole Bernard Lodge area is a sugar plantation area. You have sugar fields and stuff like that. You also have a lot of sugar cane, right? So you have a lot of sugar cane plantation. But the government is on a path to, develop the area. So they want to use some acres for farming and some to build another modern community outside of Portmore. So all that will take place. So this is the Bernard Lodge area before any form of development. So mostly farmlands, mostly sugarcane lands. You have a few horse stables as well, but eventually they want to develop this area. Some for agriculture and some for a very big community. Alright, and as you can see, this is Am's stable. Just want to show you guys some of the horses. Alright, so as I did mention, a lot of farmlands in this area. Very close proximity to Portmore, very close to Spanish Town as well. So the government want to develop this entire area. So this is a horse stable, stable to be exact. Alright, so let's get back on the road with you guys. Alright, so we're just outside of Caribbean Estates, one of the better, if not the best, gated communities in Portmore. Very nice communities. Sorry, very nice community. Caribbean Estates. I think they're gonna be developing a phase 2 as well. I think the name will be different, but they'll be working on a phase 2. It was a well sought after community as well. Caribbean Estate. Let me just take a quick drive around the entrance, show you guys the entrance. Alright, so we won't go in. Alright, so this is Caribbean Estates. Very nice gated community here in Portmore, St. Catherine. Just wanted to show you guys a glimpse. And then we're back out to the Municipal Boulevard. They also have a shopping center right on the right to cater to the community. Let's head back out to the main. Alright guys, so this was a quick drive. Bernal Lodge Main Road to Caribbean Estate, back out to the Municipal Boulevard area where they're doing a development, G-Tech Park. So that's where we're at now. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. Remember to leave a comment, remember to subscribe, and share the video as well.